Gusto mo bang pumuti? Why not try Kagi? Glutathione with herbal mix capsule. 700 mg na. May 60 capsule. And then, no need to drip. Just take 2 capsule per day. I'm sure napuputi ka dito. Ito pala yung mga key ingredients niya. L-glutathione, N-acetylcysteine, acerola cherry extract, crystal tomato extract, rose hips, L-cysteine, zinc gluconate, Polypodium lecotomos, alpha-lipoic acid, and almond extract. And then, ito naman yung mga benefits ni Kagi Glutathione with herbal mix capsules. Ito yung mga key benefits niya. Skin brightening and anti-aging. Powerful antioxidant support. Immune system boost. Liver detoxification. Collagen support and hydration. Take note, no pearl powder with oral sunscreen. Asan ka pa? Try na. Try mo na yung Kagi Glutathione with herbal mix capsule. Check out na!